So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and then type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on library in the bottom left. And then you want to click on get updates. And if the Xbox app has an update for you, then it will tell you, then you could do the update. If you do not see anything here, you also want to search for Xbox. Click on it. And if it has an update here as well, you could also click on update, if it has one. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Xbox. Then you want to right click on it and then click on app settings. And now you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. And then you want to click on repair, wait for this to load. And then you want to click on reset. Click on reset again. Now once this loads up, you want to try it and see if that fixes your problem. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and then type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on X on your keyboard. And you want to repeat this for every single Xbox service that we have. So for the first one, you want to click on the Xbox Accessory Management Service. You want to change the startup type to automatic and then click on start. And then click on OK. Repeat this for everything else. So for the second one, Xbox Live Auth Manager, startup type automatic, click on OK. For me, it's already running, so that's why it says this. So click on OK. And you want to repeat this for the other two as well. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. Now once you're on this, I've got two codes that you want to copy and paste. I've left it down below in the description. So for the first code, which we're going to copy this, Control C and then Control V right here, which will paste it, click on Enter. And now you want to copy and paste the second code, Control C, Control V, paste it right here. And now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.